Kani kadai kekenhun kabahaduk menta mene, kadang ap kemi lenti baha kawai kesngi, kajing shisha kan sepau, halor ke Jingjah arngai usubhash Chandra Bose naduk kesnem kat kendai spak sau pesan, ar snem shwa bakeri India kan yok lait lut na kajing sensyar gidok lit. Watla ka kaipot jong ke sorkar Japan kalau dep penmi teng hagi kendiat snem balalent, ba usubhash Chandra Bose ulayap ha ke jinghap ke lingsun ha ke snem kat kendai spak sau pesan. Henry kani ke kenhuan ke belayalam do way ni kinong thokot kari, ubalong ru u advocate jong ke Supreme Court, u Jingtip Mukherjee, kim pediang setia ya kani ke kaipot. Namar hakawai pat ka kaipot kabala pau hakawai pat ka kot kabala thok teng do Dr. Satya Narayan Sinha kabala ai kerteng Netaji Mystery loong bai usubhash Chandra Bose la set patok teng ha bindi ka basapusan ha Yakuts jail ha Oms city ha kari Siberia. Jingtip Mukherjee uloong batang kari Russia kala ban ai ke Jingjah lada ka ai tilut barok ki kot kisla ki badon ki jingtho syapang Subhash Chandra Bose syakari India bat ka sorkar India ru ka deban sei pat ba no kita ki sau puai teli ki dolar ne kita ki classified files naduk ka snem khat kendai spak sau punyau kiba ka sorkar India haduk menta kadang burik ya ki kum kita ki dolar ki bomlong banyetep pat ba. Kum udak jingkeli ke sorkar India halor kini ke Jingjah yu Subhash Chandra Bose bat ke jingkeli babalai ke sorkar India naduk bayok ke jingla ilot ha ke snem khat kendai spak sau punyau na ki dok le kam shim lawat ye uni unong ye le la ilot kari Jingtip Mukherjee ula tho bat penmi ru ya ka kot kabala ai kerteng cheka the road of bones kabala pelat pai baru Shillong ha kani ke juk kesngi bat in sebeteng ke jing pelat sashiki wei pat ke jela
75 years of our independence, but who is the architect of our freedom movement? Meghalaya Subhash Chandra Bose, who is not only popular in the India but also the leader of the Southeast Asia, and who fought against the British for the independence, and today we are enjoying our freedom only for the persons those who is only name is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. And from the northeast level, because Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose is very popular because in his Azadi force, so many dedicated soldiers of the northeast area, from Nagaland, from Mizoram, from Meghalaya, from Manipur, from Arunachal, from Assam, all those who have joined in the Azadi force and also made their supreme sacrifice. And you know, fortunately, or unfortunately, I can say that the Subhash Chandra Bose got entry up to the Kohima and involved, but unfortunately, due to the changing of scenario of the Second World War, that he has to retreat from the mainland of the country, our country. But the 1945, 18 August, the so-called plane crash. Rumor has been spread that the Bose died in the plane crash, and the people doesn't know, they are not aware that what happened actually with the Bose. 3 commissions were set up in the country. In 1956, in the Sauna Joshim commissions. Second, 1972, the G.D. Khosla commission, and third, lastly, commission, Justice Mukherjee commission. And separate the commissions, the 2 commissions report was rejected by the Mukherjee Desai government in 1977 in the floor of parliament. And 1999, one case was filed in the High Court when the government was celebrating the 100 years of the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. And that time the commissions was been set up that where the Bose what happened with the Bose by the leadership of Mr. Justice Mukherjee, who was a former judge of Supreme Court of India. The findings of the commissions was that Bose is dead, but he didn't die in the plane crash, and the ashes of Rinpoche temple is not the ashes of Subhash Chandra Bose. But where he died, so it is the duty of the central government to prove it. But unfortunately, still to the 41 file, it has been classified still today. and it is kept in the Ministry of Home Affairs. But we strongly demand for the declassifications of the all documents of the especially KGB's files. So, in this research field of the disappearance of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose of last 15 years, so I just collected the all documents from the different parts of this world, especially from Moscow, KGB, and Singapore, Vietnam, and others. And from my effort, because I am from the freedom fighter family, my grandfather was a very close associate of Subhash Chandra Bose, and also he was a member of the Constituent Assembly. So just I came to conclusions that the book I have written in the name of Cheka, the Road of Bones. This book has this written by me, and the main viewpoint of this book is the main agenda of the book is that why what happened actually with the Bose. The namely Cheka and the Road of Bones. It's a very popular word because from my collections at the study, and also he was very much alive in the own city, and after a certain period that he was put behind the bar in the Yaspur jail in cell number 45 and in the Siberia. And it's, you know that after the Second World War, the total lakhs and lakhs of war prisoners were kept in as war prisoners in the Siberia, in the special different jails and the Gulag, in the laborers camp. And because in minus 30-degree cold in Siberia, so many war prisoners were killed, and also they faced the death by the traumatic torture from the Soviet KGB, and also they have buried in the one area, and among the buried, the one road was constructed, namely Road of Bones, and the Cheka is the torture policy of the Soviet Communist Party police, especially the KGB, that is called NKVD. So it's a totally research work of my field, and also I just mentioned that the chronological descriptions and evidence, with evidence from the archival documents, that Bose was very much after 1945 in Soviet Russia, and he was put behind the bar in the Yaspur jail in the cell number 45, and the documents is also coming, and now the time has come to reveal the truth. I urge to the central government to sit and to start discussion with the Russia government, because the Putin, he was a former director of the KGB, the present president. So the matter should be put and also solved, because it's a long time is going on. Where our leader, where is our leader, what is the destiny of what happened to actually with our leader. And another thing is that the 72 crores of rupees of Azad Force, the property of Azad Force, it was looted after the 1945. So it was also mentioned that where the money has gone, and we demanded to the central government to publish a white paper. So in these circumstances, my book, the Cheka, the Road of Bones, it has been launched in 2023 in the month of September in Kolkata, and I think that for the followers of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, especially in the Northeast, so many followers of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose is alive, and I have every respect to them. So I am just today I have organized these functions only for that, to again launch of my book in the city of Shillong, for the great land of the freedom fighter, those who made their supreme sacrifice and joined in the freedom struggle of India. Because that's why today I have organized this function, and also from this book, it is totally reflected that actually what happened with our great leader. So now I would like to request Mr. Manoj Banerjee, and I'm just introducing Mr. Manoj Banerjee, eminent journalist, Mr. Shillong Dasgupta, who is an eminent advocate of Calcutta High Court, and my colleague, Mr. Arif, is from your state, and also I have asked him to organize this function. I would like now I request to launch the book, with the book once again.